to address post-disaster recovery and rehabilitation activities arising from the devastation caused by Cyclone Detwa, which affected all parts of Sri Lanka, resulting in loss of life and as well as damage for private and public property. To commence the proceedings, ladies and gentlemen, may we please rise for the national anthem.
මේ රම්‍ය භූමියට අපි අපේ ආචාර්ය පුද කරමු සිළු දෙනායක්ව ජාතික ගීය ගායනා කරමු.